What's going on, fam? So back again today. So we're going to be installing these frame savers. And what these do is these go about right here. So if you were to ever like bottom out, speed bump, something like that, like these would roll over it. Instead of these taking the beating, like these wheels would just roll over it. So let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to make a mark of where I need to drill at. So by doing that, I'm just going to press this bracket against here, and I'm going to mark it. And then once I mark it, I'll go ahead and drill the hole and install the right one. Well, that was quick and easy. I got the right side installed. It's still loose at the moment, but as you can see, she's holding it right there. As soon as I tighten it up, it'll be flush like that. Wheels spinning, and we good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side, and then we'll tighten it up, and then we'll make sure everything's good. This is the final product. Got my rollers installed, ready to go. And so keep in mind, like depending on the kit you buy, they use like different size holes, so that's why I didn't tell you like the drill bit size that I use. But if you just compare like the drill bit to the actual screw size, and you'll be able to get one that's like a little bit bigger, like just so your hole is big enough. But if you like what you saw, please do like and subscribe. I got a lot more VETTE content coming. I'm always working on this thing, whether I like it or not. But all right, I'm out, peace.